Okay, just outside of the bookstore is a food court. We have a Middle Eastern kitchen, Baba's Pizza, plenty of space to sit. Starbucks. Panda Express. Taste of Gainesville. Looks like they have barbecue here. Here's the menu. Looking good.
How you doing, man?
Good. Looks really good.
Appreciate it.
Thanks. Latin cafe here. The burger place. And then we have more seating area. And coming from the north lawn, which was in that direction, there's a little construction going on, so there's kind of a detour. But next we're going to check out the Hub food court. I can see they have a Chick-fil-A. So first it's like a little convenience store here. Very crowded with pre-made food, drinks. Kind of what you find in the 7-Eleven. And here's the Chick-fil-A. And here's Starbucks. Depending on the type of food plan you have, they usually, some of them will include these independent stores. Okay, across the street from the Hub food court is the Turlington Plaza food court. See a lot of bikes and a lot of scooters. It's a large campus. You can walk it, but it is, depending on where you live, it's convenient to have a scooter or a bike for your further away classes. So we have Wild Blue, modern Japanese kitchen, and firehouse subs in here. Okay. And right next to the dorms is the Racket Club Dining Center. We'll just take a real quick look. Okay, so they have different stations. You use your student card. This is where you order. Depending on what you order, then you come to pick your food up. Gator Grill. Order fresh dining. We have drinks and condiments. There's faux bowls. And it looks like there's plenty of seating. Okay, we just went across the street from the stadium. Now we're going to check out the Gator Corner Dining Center.
You have to say like.
So you scan your card in right here, and then it's buffet style. And you just walk around and pay. And you can get anything you want, like buffet style. That is the food pantry. Anybody can come if you have a need. Anybody's welcome to come to the food pantry and help yourself.